Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll make a bot to check the product price on Amazon, and if it finds a price drop, it will send us a notification via Gmail and WhatsApp. In this first part, I'm going to show how to extract information from Amazon website. Once you learn the techniques, you'll be able to extract information from any website. So this should work with not only just Amazon, but also with pretty much any website. The reason for building this bot is that I needed a better mouse for video editing. And the one I have my eyes on costs like 130 bucks. I'm not in a rush to get it, so I wanted to wait for a sale to buy it. Instead of checking the website every day, I'm building a bot to monitor the price, and it will notify me when the price drops. Alright, let's get started. The workflow is quite simple. There are only 3 steps. So step 1, go to Amazon website and check the price. Step 2, if the price is lower than the current 130 bucks, send myself a notification on Gmail and WhatsApp. And step 3, of course, we have to repeat the previous steps every single day so that we don't miss the sale. We're going to need some tools for building this bot. One is called Selenium and the other is Chrome driver. Selenium is a Python library for web browser automation. We can get it by using the pip install. Chrome driver is used for controlling the Chrome browser. You have to go to this site to download the Chrome driver. But first, we need to know the version of the Chrome browser we're using. To find the version number, open up a Chrome browser, then go to Settings, About Chrome, and this is your Chrome version number. So I'm using the version 94 and I'm going to go to that site and download the one for version 94. So we have to use the Chrome driver that matches the Chrome browser version, otherwise it will not work. And the one I'm using is version 94. You might have a different version depending on the version of your Chrome browser. So you have to check that on your end and find the right Chrome driver to download. And the download will be a zip file. So we'll unzip it and place the Chrome driver.exe file into a folder. For me, I'm just saving it into the working folder where I'm storing the code for the bot. Feel free to save it anywhere. It's up to you. Let's open up a Python environment and enter the following code. So we're going to import the web driver from Selenium, and then we'll create a web driver object. We'll simply call it driver. And here we'll also specify that we want to use Chrome instead of other internet browsers. It's possible to use other browsers such as Firefox or Internet Explorer, but in this tutorial we'll focus on just Chrome. Then we're going to save the Amazon product website address into a variable called URL. Then the driver.get URL will open up a Chrome browser page with that specific URL loaded, and you will see a black screen at the back. Don't close that because that's the Selenium engine, and if you close it you will lose control of the browser. And you also see on this page that it says this is controlled by an automated software, which is Selenium and the Chrome driver. So we can interact with this page using Python. This page has a lot of elements, for example, text, numbers, pictures, and to find any element on this page, we just need to use our mouse to highlight that element and then right click and go to inspect. Then this window will pop up. This is the Chrome developers tool, and we can see the HTML code for this website. So we're going to find the price. Let's highlight the price, $129.99. Right click, go to inspect, and in the Chrome developers tool, we see this highlighted line says $129.99. So to extract this price from the website, in Python, we can use the WebDriver object method. Find element by ID, and the ID we need is whatever ID that's written in the HTML website code. So in this case, the ID is price block underscore our price. If you see this web element gets returned, it means that Selenium found the element on the site. However, this is the element object. We're more interested in the data, which is the price stored inside this object. And we can use the .text attribute to get that data. So now we got the price from this site, but it's in text format. I'm gonna assume that every price tag will contain a currency symbol in front of the numbers. So we can remove the $sign by selecting a substring of this price, because this price is a string, and price 1 colon, meaning that we're selecting a substring starting from the second character and then everything after that. So this is still a text data type, and we can convert it into a number by forcing the text to a number type. Another way to extract data from the web page is the method find element by Xpath. To find the Xpath, go to the HTML code, right click on the code and then copy XPath. So now we head back to Python and then Control V to paste the XPath into our code. And if we run this, it will give us the same result. Let's also get the name of the product from the web page, and the XPath for the name is this. So now we have both the name and the price of the product from the Amazon website. I hope you guys learned a lot in this video, and if you enjoyed it so far, please hit that like button. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about how to use Python to send the product information to our Gmail. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.